So this week I've been dealing with the type of work I hate to do, the teeth pulling work, the work that is just like, I don't want to do this today. I hate this. Even at my advanced age of 269 years old, there's stuff I just don't like to do. And so how do you handle that stuff? What are the strategies that I use to deal with that stuff? Well, first and foremost, I hire people to take care of that work. That's true, but I know a lot of you guys can't do that at this point. But that was a bit of a joke. But I do hire people. But there are certain things that I still have to do. I have to do because it's being the CEO and the founder, I have to do certain things. And it's outside of code, actually, a lot of this stuff. So what you got to do is you got to prioritize your list of things to do that day. And so putting the stuff that needs to get done first, get that done, and just break it up. Break it up. What I do when I'm psychologically don't want to approach something, I just go in there and I go, okay, I'm just going to do 20 minutes. Or I'm going to move the goalpost. I'm just going to move the ball just, 2-3 feet forward. And you just discipline yourself to do little chunks of work of the stuff you hate. Because if you try to wait to do something you hate doing or you don't want to do, and you wait to do on the last day and you got like hours of this crappy work to do, it's going to be painful. But if you just break it up into smaller chunks and you spread it out over time, it will be much easier to approach. A lot of times these tasks or these jobs that you don't want to do, it's an emotional thing. You don't want to get it done. There are emotional tricks. You can associate things you hate to do with positive things, perhaps. Maybe I'll do a whole video on that. But generally speaking, the basic strategy is to just break it up into smaller chunks, spread out the work, and try to do a little bit of it every day just to get it done. That's what I do. It works for me. I eventually get it done. If you're fortunate enough and you become more and more successful, maybe start your own business or become a freelancer, then you can just farm out the work that you don't want to do to people that are better at doing it maybe than you. Because generally speaking, if you don't like doing something, you're not going to be good at it.